Have you ever noticed that where there are plants, there are animals too? Look carefully, and you will find that there are lots of animals living on around, and even underneath the plants that you see. Here are some pictures of animals living together with plants. Which of these animals do you recognize from the pictures? Which of them have you seen before? Which of these animals live under the ground? Elephant feeding on grass. A moth resting on a leaf. A caterpillar chewing a leaf. Earthworms on leaves and soil. A tailor bird singing. A woodpecker on a tree trunk. Ants building their nests using leaves. A colorful stink bug on a leaf. A frog resting on a leaf. A butterfly perched on a leaf. Squirrels using tree hollows to hide and rest. A barbet using a tree hollow for nesting. Stand on the soil next to a plant. If you are comfortable, remove your footwear and tell what color is the soil under your feet. Did you know that soil is made of different layers? Examine the soil carefully. It's made from rocks that have broken up into tiny pieces, old leaves, roots, stems, living and dead animals. Soil's top layer is full of life. Tiny beetles, mites, grasshoppers, and other insects moving among the grass and leaves. When it rains and soil is wet, other creatures like earthworms and millipedes may appear too. You may also find more grasses and other plants growing in soil. Stand near a tree and look around. How many different animals can spot? Describe them in words and fill in the table given in your textbook. Animals, birds, and insects use different parts of plants for food, shelter, and resting. Camels eat leaves of plants. Birds like owls use hollows in the trees to bring up their young ones. Squirrels and crows use twigs from plants to build their nests and to bring up their young ones. Monkeys love eating the fruits of plants. Sunbirds and butterflies drink nectar from different flowers. Tailor birds stitch leaves of plants to build their nests. Bats and leopards use the branches of trees to rest and for shelter. Caterpillars munch on different leaves of plants for food. How many of these animals have you seen? Make a list and read aloud. Caterpillar turning into butterfly. Arrange the stages of its life cycle in order in your book. Plants and animals can't live without each other, just like we can't live without them. Together, they make our earth full of life. Let's protect them.